It's been a little while since we've talked. How are things?
Going okay. I feel like these are dark days, Doc, and I've definitely been feeling overwhelmed lately.
Can you tell me how you've been overwhelmed?
I'm not exactly sure. I've been really anxious lately, especially given what's going on with the coronavirus.
There are two words that you've used that concern me a little bit. The first is anxious, and the second is overwhelmed. Tell me a little bit more about those feelings.
Well, it's been everything. The coronavirus has me worried about my family, and we've been doing everything we can, I've been doing everything I can because I don't know what to do if something were to happen to my family.
Okay. How has that made you feel?
Heavy, just weighed down. Uh, every question from my kids, every time I watch the news, every time, I have a fight with one of my relatives about how COVID is being handled, or, about what's going on with the protests. It's like a added layer, it's like a brick to my soul. And I go back and forth between being anxious and then being beaten down.
That sounds scary. And sometimes when people are having feelings like the ones you're describing, they also have thoughts of hurting themselves or killing themselves. Have you had any thoughts like that?
I've had some thoughts, but doesn't everyone have those thoughts like that sometimes?
If you have thoughts that then lead to a plan, and if you're ever thinking about, a time or actually going to buy a weapon, then I'd really like it if you could tell me or your boyfriend or someone else that you feel comfortable telling, just to make sure that we can keep you safe.
So I will definitely promise to tell you or my boyfriend if I, you know, thinking those thoughts.
I think that you could really use someone to talk to who can assist you with developing sort of the skills and coping strategies for your anxiety.
I'll definitely see a specialist, and I want to feel better, and I want to feel, like myself again.
I think it's actually a really great sign of strength to be able to ask for help when you need it. And we're in this together.